Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Smartsheet to ServiceNow for change requests. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To connect Smartsheet to ServiceNow for change requests, start by logging into your Smartsheet account. Next, open the specific Smartsheet that you want to integrate with ServiceNow. In the top right corner, click on the Automation tab. Select Connected Apps from the drop-down menu. Look for the ServiceNow integration option and click on it. You will be prompted to enter your ServiceNow instance URL. Input the URL and click Connect. You may need to provide your ServiceNow credentials for authentication. Once authenticated, you can choose the specific table in ServiceNow that corresponds to change requests. In Smartsheet, navigate to the Automation section again. Click on Create a Workflow. Select the trigger that will initiate the connection, such as when a new row is added. Choose the appropriate actions you want to take in ServiceNow, like creating or updating a change request. Map relevant fields between Smartsheet and ServiceNow. This step ensures that data flows correctly between both platforms. Once everything is set up, review your configuration to ensure it meets your needs. Save the workflow and activate it to enable the connection. You can now monitor the integration by checking the logs for any errors or mismatches. This integration will streamline your change request process, making it more efficient. Remember to test the setup by creating a sample change request in Smartsheet. Verify that it appears correctly in ServiceNow. With this connection, you will enhance collaboration and visibility across platforms. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.